creeping.
Sorry, I'm hanging up my coat.
That's okay. Hello, Tanya here. Thank you so much for joining me today. This video is going to be a nice springy nail tutorial, including some acrylic application, which I was very nervous to post about because it's my first time filming and posting any acrylic application, and there are some nail techs out there who are so fucking amazing that put all other acrylic application to shame. But I decided to suck it up and post it anyway because it's part of the design. This design, by the way, is inspired by the MARC JACOBS Daisy fragrance and the big, beautiful white daisy with the metallic center. So I've done this design, I believe, 4 or 5 times in the past, all around this time of year. And so this time we're doing it again, but I upped the difficulty level a little bit by doing the base as acrylic instead of just paint, but you can absolutely, if you want to recreate this design, which first of all, it's all over the place anyway, I did not create it. But if you want to do this design, you can absolutely do it with polish, gel polish, whatever. And then, one more level, I added the acrylic 3D daisy. That is my first time doing a 3D daisy. I had practiced 3D roses on the handle of a brush before, but I decided let's go for it. This is the perfect time, and I mean, why not? Why not? So we went with the acrylic 3D daisy on one nail, or on both of the hands. The first one I did didn't turn out great, but I filmed the other one for you, but you can see in the pictures the first one was a little bit funny looking. But that's okay. No big deal. The second one turned out amazing and I'm really excited about it. I'm super excited about this entire set. We just used acrylic paint, and then of course Topcoat and the studs. So let's take a look at this MARC JACOBS inspired design. MARC JACOBS Daisy inspired nails. I really hope you enjoyed this video and possibly even learned something. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And if you didn't like it, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs down because the exact same thing happens. If you would like to help me out with some of my acrylic application, I wouldn't be mad at constructive criticism. I would be upset with somebody being a complete dick though, so don't be a complete dick. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Go ahead and follow all the social medias. There's lots to stay updated on, so go ahead and check those out. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye!